Welcome back to WizKids TV. We're going to match these colored coins to the right color tub. Are you ready? Red, yellow, green, blue. Let's see how fast we can do it. Ready? Can we go faster? Oh no, 2 yellows. Faster. We're going so fast. Can you go faster? We're almost done. We have this many to go. Ready? Oh no, we made one mistake. We put a green one with the blue one. Let's fix it. Now, let's check if we made any more mistakes. All blue. All red. Yellow. And all green. That was so much fun. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.